Today let's take a look at how to use the hash function in Sway. We'll be importing two hash functions, so I'll type use std from standard library hash, and we'll import kitcheck256, kitcheck256, and sha256, sha256. When we call the hash function, this will return b256, and to use it, for example, we can say sha256, and then inside here we can put our inputs. For example, let's put in a max u64, so I'll type u64 : max. So calling this function sha256 and then putting in any input inside here, we'll get b256. We can also put in a different input. For example, let's say b256 min. If you wanted to put in inputs of different types, here's how you would do it. Let's use the sha256 again, sha256. And what we're going to put in for the input is a tuple. For example, let's put a boolean, true, for the first input. And for the second input, let's put in some number, let's say 1, 2, 3. And you can also put in an array, so say sha256, and let's put in an array 1, 2, 3. And lastly, you can also put in a struct. So what I'm going to first do is declare a struct point, let's say has two fields, x u64 and y u64. Okay? And then let's hash the struct point. Say sha256. Let's put in multiple inputs. So again, we'll need to put in a tuple for the input to the function sha. For the first input, let's put in the struct point. For the field x, let's put in 1. For the field y, let's put in 2. Okay, we can also put in other inputs. For example, boolean true, number 1, 2, 3, array 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this was an example of how to use the hash function. Let's try compiling the contract. Inside my terminal, I'll type fork build. Okay, and our contract compiled. Now, going back to our contract, so remember that we imported kitcheck256, and kitcheck256 works exactly the same way. So if we replace this sha256 with kitcheck256, and then try to compile again, our contract compiles. So this was an example of how to use sha256 and kitcheck256 in Sway.